Today, good morning all. Today we are going to discuss about the disk scheduling algorithm. That's the scan algorithm. Already we completed FCFS and SSTF. Those two algorithms. And in those two algorithms, the SSTF makes the less seek movements, but it is not that much optimal. Why? Because the head is moving both directions of sometimes when it go forward again it is going to return within the less time. Every time the head is moving forward and backward directions in that. Here next we'll see the scan algorithm. In this scan algorithm, the head start at one end of the disk and moves forward for the other end. Whether it is a request or there in that within that forward direction or not, it is going to, the head is going to start at the first position to the last position and the last position to the first position. It is moving continuously forward and backward directions. Next, head continuously scans back and forth across the disk. Now, what are the advantages in this? It is very simple and easy to implement, and no starvation and less waiting time also. Now, what are the disadvantages? Is long waiting time for the location just visited by head. That is one disadvantage. And one more is unnecessary moves. There is no request from the first to last, but the scan algorithm, the head is moving from one direction, forward direction, and as well as backward directions. Now, we'll see with the example. In this example, the request queue is containing these requests. Initial point is at 53. Now that is moving forward. How the head is moving directions we'll see. Initial point is 53. Now from 53, first it is moved to the forward direction up to the end, and again it is moving to the backward direction up to this end. Now whenever it is moving, now we'll calculate the seek time. Here 53 to, it is going to serve this request, serve this request, serve this request, serve this request, serve this request. Here also it is going to serve. Here it is serve, it is serve. Serving all the requests, and again it is moving back directions. Now we'll calculate the seek time. From here to here moving time is 12. Next from here to here 2. Next here to here 31. Next here to here 34. Here to here 2. Next from here to here 54. Here to here 16. From here to here 162. Here to here 23. The total seek time is 341. When we compare the SSTF, this is a seek time is more, but here the head is moving forward direction and the backward direction. No need of moving forward, backward like that. This is a one most optimal algorithm. This is a scan algorithm.